Okay, now that we've looked at formatting of charts, let's look at aggregation. Aggregation, as we've seen before, in Tableau, it is set to sum as default. Yeah. So for example, aggregation, you can see there's all this aggregation function that you can use, but in default, it is set to sum, right? It's always good. Now you can see we've seen category by sales, sum of sales. But what if I said average sales by category? Let's create another sheet and label it properly. Sales by category. Yeah. The things that you can do here, you click here, or two things you can do. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Default properties, aggregation. Let's say average. Yeah. This has been changed to average. We'll put category here. Category, and we take sales. As you can see now, right, we add the label. You can see now it says an AVG in front of the sales. That would indicate that we are looking at the average sales, right? So you can, again, let's do this. You can see technology is, average sales for technology is higher than the rest. You can do the same thing here, right? You can change the color like we've seen now. You can do so many things. So if you want to play around with this, and you can do that as well here. Yeah, so average sales. Now if I've decided I made a mistake, I want to change it to sum, I can do this here. You can see it's how easy it is just to change things around. Yeah, so now it is average. So the same way, so maximum sales, put it category. Okay, so if you want to find the maximum sales by category here, you would notice, because I've changed the default earlier to average, it has stayed as average. If you want to change this, you need to do this, right? Maximum sales. Yeah, you put your label. So the maximum sales you've done in this category, technology, is 22,600, 9,893, and 4,416. You can change this to the minimum sales that you go. Those are the minimum sales you've done. Okay, so you can play around. You can change them. Yeah, so here we did say max sales, we put it as max sales. Again, you can do the same thing with color. You can change your color and so on. Okay, so that's about aggregation. Please remember to change the aggregation if you've changed it by default here. Yeah, okay. If you're working on another sheet, you will need to change it to whatever you want. Like for example, if you want average sales, you choose average sales. If you want maximum sales, you choose maximum sales here. So that's about aggregation.